moving.
No. Are you serious?
Oh no.
No. I'm speechless. Welcome to Trade or Hodl, the Korean food edition with me, Joe Cole, and G. And we're going to be blending crypto knowledge with some mystery Korean dishes. I'm going to take a card from here. It's going to have a crypto acronym. And whoever wins it, you get to decide whether you trade your dish or hodl. Ready?
Yeah.
I know it. Fear of missing out. Big thing amongst the kids, that. I'm going to hodl. You ready?
Okay.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
What have you got there?
Octopus. Low. Yeah.
Raw octopus?
Yeah, it's moving.
It ain't moving, really, is it? Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm speechless.
Do you want to try?
Absolutely no chance. Right, let me try this. It's quite sugary and salty. It's not bad. I'm not eating anything like that. No shots. Good?
I like it, yeah.
Right, so fear of missing out.
I was actually sick the day before the FA Cup final.
Oh no.
Yeah, but I knew I couldn't miss out. First FA Cup win for Chelsea.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
How did you feel in the game?
I had many medicine.
Yeah.
And then it was my winning goal.
That's amazing. ATH. I think I've got an idea what that might be. All-time high? All-time high. I don't know where that's come from. Never ever used that before. Trying to look at the chefs there, see if he's giving me any movement with the eyes. I'm gonna hodl.
Are you sure?
No. Don't want nothing moving under that plate again, right? 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Yay! It's gonna be spicy, kimchi is in it.
Really?
Yeah, kimchi is best, yeah, like lettuce.
That's not bad. Not that spicy. Oh, now the spice is kicking in a little bit. Yeah, it is spicy. My all-time high, my favourite win was first trophy we won together as a team at Chelsea. I mean, it was the League Cup, and it just meant so much because you want to win something and then to do it with your friends was incredible. Is any of these desserts?
I don't think so.
Fish and chips, mate. Come on, pie and mash. Yeah.
I used to eat fish and chips on Friday, every Friday.
FUD, FUD. I'm stumped.
Fear, something.
You don't get nothing for that. Fear, under.
Uncertainty.
Fear, uncertainty. Doubt.
Doubt, oh yeah.
You got the first word and the second word. So, what do you think? Trade or hodl?
Hold now.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. What is this?
This is vegetable.
It looks good for you. No. Your face tells me it's not your favourite out of the dishes.
No.
No, that's fair enough. That's good. Happy with that, look. Tea and biscuits, English. Gee, so the biggest moment of uncertainty in your career, how did you push through?
During the pandemic.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Especially like yourself, so far away from home.
Yeah. I was thinking of my family back home. What about you?
I think it was, I had a big injury. I was out for 11 months.
Is it
Gone.
ACL?
ACL, TCL, MCL,
Wow.
both meniscuses. The doctor said it was like I'd been in a car accident. You didn't know whether I'd be able to play again.
Wow.
DYOR. I think I've got a chance here. Do your own research. Is that right?
Right? Wow.
Just coming to me
Wow.
like bang. I'm gonna trade this one. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. You're laughing at mine straight away. What is that?
It's called 족발.
Right? The feet.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get this little bit here. That's lovely.
See? Yeah, nice.
Just wish you didn't tell me what part of the body it was. When you was a player and you was coming to Chelsea, what did you know about Chelsea? Did you research it?
I had a dream to play like a big club.
Yeah.
like Chelsea or
Yeah.
Manchester United. But I only know Manchester United because Ji Sung-pak was there.
Of course.
Yeah.
I like to go on instinct and feel, and the decision to come to sign for Chelsea was an easy one for me because I was a supporter. As a kid, I used to watch the club. There was no research to be done. I knew everything about the club, and it was just the easiest decision. Yeah. G, thank you for teaching me about Korean cuisine and for playing trade or hodl. I absolutely loved it.
Boom.